My name is Tio Bi Jun. I'm from UCSI University Diploma in Architectural Studies, Semester 7. Currently, my internship company is at Fui Architect. Fui Architect established in 2008. At Fui Architect, we believe that good architecture is about crafting better space for people. First, quality space can enrich our lives. Second, it can bring joy to people living and working within the building. We have used these two quotes to design the project that I shown in the slide, the Sasana International School. The Sasana International School is but from the Waldorf Education. The Waldorf Education accords a particular set of importance to its architecture when designing a school. The space in which the part of education is realized between educators and students are not a work of art itself, but rather a framework created by the architecture itself, where it redefines the process of teaching as an artistic process itself. As the school offers co-curriculum that encourage interactions to its surrounding, the building adopts a segregated yet somehow connect layouts that create open space in between blocks for students to simply be physically and visually connect to nature at any areas of the school vicinity. Our practice has always been about defining architecture in modernity and practically accentuated by the simplistic yet honest design approach. For example, our office remodel from the existing commercial lot design. The intention was to present the office is in an open space planning while the use of selected material to enhance the spatial experience, such as the first one, recycled Chengao wood, second, polished cement screed flooring. We have used these two material as the design of our floor. Then the third one is a raw style feature brickwork. We has used this as some hierarchy elements in our office. Then the last one, we use the cement finishes and also the white plaster ceiling to design the ceiling. So the ceiling display the beauty of even unpretentious design. Fui Architect involved in urban design plus master planning. Second, commercial. Third, remodeling plus single dwelling. Fourth, education. Fifth, industrial. And the last one is the residential. Throughout my 6 months of internship, I have separated my project into minor involvement and also the major involvement. The minor involvement means the project that involved me only a little, but the major involvement is the project that fully handled by me. Kajang Bungalow. Client has bought an existing bungalow at Kajang area, and he required us to design the layout of existing bungalow according to his family needs, and also an extension at the back of the building. We have designed the extension area according to the existing bungalow design language, so it looks harmony with the existing bungalow. The job involved is I was assigned to amend the drawing, including the plan, section, and elevations according to the client's comment. The extension part of the Kajang bungalow was the black painted building as shown in the slide. Then the two drawing that shown at here is a part of drawing that prepared by me. Paling Bayang Bungalow. This project is a 3 different design and build hillside bungalow project from our company that located at Paling Bayang, Kuala Lumpur. The first one is a 1-story bungalow, second one is 2-story, the third one is a 3-story bungalow. The job scope for me is the case study of the bungalow and also design the circulations and function space of the bungalow. Then is the Kampung Tungku Sport Complex. Kampung Tungku Sport Complex is a design and build project that will locate at Petaling Jaya. We involve in design, tender, and build process. The job scope for me is to amend the existing BP drawing, plan section, and elevation according to the authority command, relocate and resize the window and building leveling and the staircase, assigned to do the mood board for the client to feel the real material texture. The drawing that's shown at here is one part of the drawing, the drawing that prepared by me, and then the mood board at here is the mood board that I prepared to present to the client. Then is the Cheras Den Park. Cheras Den Park is a bedroom renovation project of our interior department, Chrono Design. The client required us to design the bedroom for him and his family members. The job scope for me is 2D CAD drawing and also the 3D SketchUp modeling and V-Ray rendering. The 3D view shown from here is after the CAD drawing. Then I prepared the SketchUp modeling, and after that using the V-Ray to render it. Then is the Villa Putri. Villa Putri is a design and built villa style hotel at the hillside that near the TPGCC Golf Club. This project has been postponed due to the land use. It's not legal to have a villa style design hotel at the land. The job scope for me is to design and develop the possibility of the exterior facade due to the client requirement and also the limited land area. Yotel. Yotel is the existing hotel that located at Bukit Bintang area. This project client required us to renovate and design the hotel interior by using as much existing design element as possible. The job scope for me is to amend the CAD drawing, render it, and also arrange it into a portfolio together with the 3D view of each room type to ready present to the client. Picture shown in the slide, the first one is the 3D vision view. Then the second one is the rendered floor plan. The third one is the 3D view of the type 1 room type. Sri Rama's garage. Sri Rama's is a previous extensions and renovation project that designed by us, but now the client required us to design a garage canopy at the existing garage. When I handled this project, I plan to use the C channel, the steel structure, to design the garage roofing. So the job scope for me is to design a garage metal roofing and also the 3D steel structure. The image shown at here is different view of the garage and also the 3D view of the steel structure support system. This project, I have used some hidden gutter in the garage roofing to channel the rainwater when it is raining. Then the more mansion. More mansion is a bungalow that required us to do the interior and exterior facade design. The job scope for me is to design the 3D fence design. The SCK TCM is a charity project that required us to design and draw the lighting and M&E plan for them. Then the job scope for me is to prepare the RCP of the plan for them. Then after that is the Taman Ramaputra factory. Taman Ramaputra factory is at the Sungai Buloh, and it required me to do was amend the CAD drawing, prepare submission document, pre-consult bomba, and finally it's the bomba submissions. The image shown at here, the first picture, is after I prepare finish, then I take the document to pre-consult the bomba. Then the second one is the drawing that prepared by me. Co-house. Co-house is a design and build bungalow project. The client required us to design the exterior facade and interior design of the bungalow for office use. Unfortunately, after we design finish and we proceed to submission process, the neighbor complained and caused the project now has been terminated. The job scope for me is the BP submission drawing, the interior joinery detail drawing, and also 3D SketchUp modeling. The first two 3D view, as shown in the slide, is the 3D SketchUp that done by me. Then the bottom one, was the BP submission drawing and also the joinery detail and some section detail drawing that done by me. BTP 8A Round Shop Lot. Round Shop Lot is a project that previously designed by us. Then after few years of design and construction phase, currently BTP 8A has done and our company has assigned to inspect the defect of the building and also the workmanship of the main contractor. The job scope for me is the inspection and also prepare the inspection report. The document that's shown in the slide is the inspection report that prepared by me. Then the image that's shown in this slide is the picture that I took during the inspection. Samidi Bandar Cheras. This project is a design and build of two Samidi that located at Bukit Cheras. Current is still at floor plan layout stage and haven't started the elevation facade design. The job scope for me is to amend the CAD drawing and also render the CAD drawing as shown in the slide. The Plaza Laoyak Management Office. Plaza Laoyak Management Office is a design and renovations of the Plaza Laoyak existing management office. The job scope for me is to have a meeting with clients and also take some site photo as the future drawing reference. Common KL is also a project from the Laoyak group. It is an existing shop lot that already in operation. The client required us to help him to do the BP submission because the previous submission drawing is not tally with the existing building. The job scope, site measure, draft measured drawing, BP submission drawing. The both drawing shown at here is the drawing that prepared, is a part of drawing that prepared by me. Then the image shown at here is the site picture that I took when the site measure. Then the last one is the notes when I take during my site measure. Food City. Food City is an all-new proposed food court in Plaza Laoyak. We are required to design it and I involved in this project when it is tender process. So the job scope for me is the tender drawing, include the plan, section, elevation, joinery detail, and the section detail. The drawing shown at here is a part of drawing that prepared by me. The first one is the plan and the second one is a section detail drawing. Then it's the Tan Sri Villa. Tan Sri Villa is an existing villa at Rawang, TPJCC, and we are required to help the client to do an extension of the building. For me, the job scope is to draw out the existing villa 3D SketchUp modeling. The image shown at here is the view that I take from the SketchUp, then goes to the major involvement. Noodle Factory. Noodle Factory required us to design and build the factory for him. This is my first own project and I was assigned to design the exterior facade design and also the steel structure support system of the factory. The job scope is exterior facade design and the steel structure support system. The first image shown at here is the steel structure 3D view that designed by me. Then the follow up the two perspective view is the exterior facade design, and the last one is the interior perspective view. Then goes to a Kota Emerald. Kota Emerald is a cluster house that's situated at the Selayang. The project we collab with Thank You interior design company, so we require to help the client to design the extension building facade and also help the client to do the submission. My first task for this project is to prepare two design proposal for the client to choose, and finally the design proposal 2 has been chosen. All the design proposal I has used the existing building design language to design it to make the extension part looks like the original existing building, and it will be more harmony in the taman. So the picture shown at this slide is design proposal 1 and the bottom one is the design proposal 2. After the design proposal 2 has been chosen, I has further developed in the front elevation, the side elevation, and also some interior space, such as the wet kitchen. For interior spaces, I have added a small courtyard at the wet kitchen. This is because by adding the courtyard, it can enrich the client lives. For example, it can plant some vegetables in it other than just aesthetic value. The image shown at here is the front elevation, side elevation, and the wet kitchen view 1 and 2. Other than the 3D modeling, I also has worked with the BP submission drawing, meeting client, pre-consult, prepare the submission document, and physical submissions. The image shown here, the first one is the site visit photo. The second one is when I reach the client shops for the meeting. And the third one is I taking the document to the MPS, the Majelis Perbandaran Selayang, to pre-consult. Then the drawing at here is one of the drawing that prepared by me, the BP drawing. Then follow up is the submission document that prepared by me, and finally is I went to the MPS to physical submit the document. Genting View Resort. As shown in the image, these are some of the view that I prepared for the clients. The first one is the toilet 3D view, and then was the living perspective view, and then coming up the powder room perspective view. And then the fourth one is also the living view. The fifth one is a dining area view, and then the last one is a kitchen 3D view. Genting View Resort is an old apartment at the middle hill of the Genting. The client bought 2 units and planned to turn it into a resort for his family holiday. The job scope for me: service drawing, a main floor plan, 2D detail drawing, 3D SketchUp modeling, house arrangement, toilet fitting selection, site checking, meeting with client, dealing, and meeting with contractor. The first one is the photo that I take when I go to site checking and visit. Then the second one is the exterior perspective view that done by me. Then the last one is the table of tiles that done by me. We have chosen different toilet tiles for each toilet. And then the 2D CAD drawing of the Genting View Resort, I've done the floor plan, sewerage plan, RCP, M&E plan, toilet detail drawing, window schedule, and also the door schedule. The first one is the new works plan. It includes the demolished part, the proposed new layout, and also the demolished part. And then the follow-up is the sewerage plan, the window schedule, and finally is the toilet detail drawing. Utama House. Utama House is an extension and renovation project at Taman Desa. This project is actually my boss' new house, and I worked together with him during the design phase. We try to make the building interior space look seamless, connect with the outside of the building. So we use a large number of raw concrete blocks, bricks, timber, full length, full height, window opening, greeneries, etc., and etc., to act as the main design element in this project. The first one is the section perspective from the building. The second one is the picture that I take during the site meeting with my boss. And the third one is the picture that I screenshot after I submit through the CLIS online submission website successfully. The fourth one is the view from garage looks towards the foyer. Then the fifth one is the view at the living looks towards the courtyard. Then the last one is the gatepost BP drawing. The job scope I involved is a site visit, site measure, design phase, BP drawing submission, 3D SketchUp modeling, pre-consult at DBKL, online submissions at CLIS DBKL website. The drawing shown at this slide, the first one is the key plan, location plan, site plan, ground floor plan, first floor plan. Then the second one is the second floor plan, roof plan, section XX, section YY, front elevation, and the back elevations. Yanfeng TPP3. Yanfeng TPP3 is a warehouse extension project. It required us to separate the project into two phases. First phase was handled by my senior, while second phase is handled by me. Second phase is the office extension to the warehouse area. The job scope for me, the phase one is assigned to draw out the existing warehouse according to the CAD file and also the set photo. The second one is the 3D modeling. The third one is went for the bomba inspection and the meeting for the second phase construction consultation. Following up is the phase two. The job scope for me is the BP drawing, bomba drawing. Study the bylaw book to ensure the bomba drawing is meet the bomba requirement. Then prepare a submission document. And also the BP, OSC, and LAM submission, bomba submission, searching for fire rated window and paint contractor, meeting with contractor. The first drawing that's shown in this slide is the bomba drawing, then the below part is the BP drawing. And then the right part, the first one is the submission document. The second one is the bylaw book. The third part is the notes that I took down when I'm meeting with contractor. The night alarm terrace. This is a corner lot terrace that requires us to extend and renovate it. The client requires us to cover up all the balcony and make the building seamless connect to the landscape. Currently, the project is still at layout design phase and is going to the facade treatment stage. The job scope for me is the massing development, functional diagram of the existing and new space in the building, layout design, the CAD drawing and also the rendered drawing, then the 3D SketchUp modeling. The first one is the ground floor plan. The rendered ground floor plan that done by me. And then the second one is the massing development diagram. And then the third part is the functional diagram of the existing and new space in the building. The fourth one is during the design phase, I sketched on the existing plan. Then for the last one is the 3D modeling that still in progress. And then that's all for my presentation. Thank you.